My name is DaneshaMcCroskey. I'm a music management major. Danesha intro to info systems. Yeah, catchy, right? Hey, how you doing? I'm Danesha McCroskey. Welcome to Intro to Info Systems. I am doing an Excel sheet on SumProduct. Let me pull up my Excel sheet. Here we go. So first, I will be doing a formula to calculate the regular payroll hours. So we put our equal sign, D2 multiplied by E2, enter. Oh, I'm sorry, it wasn't D. It's C, enter. Go over here to our little green box on the right. Look for black plus, drag down to 25. Now time to do a formula for overtime pay. Put our equal, put our D2 multiplied by F2. Those are overtime hours. Go to the little green box, black plus to the 25. Then go to insert. We'll insert a pivot table. Go over to O, insert pivot table. We will be doing highlight A through F and leave it in the existing worksheet. Click OK and go to pivot table fields. Let me slide this over. Highlight week, put our week in values, week in rows. Then OT rate, highlight OT rate, put OT rate in values, put OT rate in columns. Then we're going to filter our weeks from smallest to largest. So that's we're going to use sort A to Z. We're going to go to our filters for our overtime. We're going to sort from largest to smallest. Then we will go over here, type in J2, enter. We'll be using SumProduct for all of week ones. So equal sign, type in SumProduct. Click our FX over here. My bad. Equals SumProduct. Open parentheses. Now click at FX. So you want to do all of week one. So that would be C2 colon C10 colon C18. Then in array 2, you're multiplying this by E. So it'd be E2 colon E10 colon E18. Okay. Little green box, black plus, drag down to 25. Now we're going to do SumProduct for overtime. SumProduct, open parentheses, click this FX. So we're going to go SumProduct for D2 colon D10 colon D18. Then we'll go F2 colon F10 colon F18 for our week one. Then we're going to drag down using our black plus to 25. Then what we're going to do is we're going to omit some blanks. So you're going to click this right here. Control G at the same time. Go right here to special. Blanks. Okay. Bam. So that's when we go to insert. We highlight J through K. Go up here to insert column. Stack column. I'm going to put a color on it so we can see it better. We're going to name it Payroll Bi-weekly. Then we're going to stretch him around. And that is how you do the sum product. I will be closing out with a joke today. Every time you are about to excel, someone has to spreadsheet.